All right, guys, we're out here and investigating. Locals say there's a Wendigo or shapeshifter, and I got two rots on her, Lola, Miley. Right there, hear it? It's out there. So we're gonna go down and see if we can find what's making that noise. That's crazy sounding though, isn't it? Would you guys go down there and look for that? There's another one across the road there, for sure. Wow. So tonight, supposedly all the planets are aligned, so maybe that's what's bringing all this out. Cloudy, you can't see it, but. So last night, we heard some sound like Sasquatch. It's definitely Sasquatch prints. We're gonna track it. Got about 18 inches of snow up here in Cato. Looks like they're getting pretty hungry. What do you guys think? Oh, that's definitely. Looks like they were nibbling on the beets there. I think we're getting closer to whatever that thing is. Goodness, came from here to throw some stuff up. Alright, we're up in Mankato, right down the river. Steelhead are running yet. You guys hear that? It sounds like a younger squatch and an older one. Pretty crazy sounding though. Well, some people say that's a bird or a coyote. That's squatch. Stay tight, girls. Whoa, Miley, come here. I think it's squatch, guys. What do you think? Chilly one today. We're in the house, heard this, came out. What do you guys think that is? Yes. I'm saying that's Sasquatch. We got a big storm coming in. He sounds like about a half mile away though, or a mile. Interesting. Must be calling in the family maybe, huh? Trying to figure out what's making that noise. Kicked up some deer. See, they ran right through here. Hear that? Beautiful day for a hike. 10 below with the wind chill. So whatever it was, it kicked them up. Hear it? Going off. Hope our girl Margaret's alright. Surprising something to be out here like that. It's just cold. That's crazy sounding, huh? Sounds like a few of them. We're gonna go back there and look for tracks where this wind picks up. Sounds like it's right there, don't it? Sure. Stay here. Be careful, girl.